अगर आप भी ये सोचते हो कि आप इंग्लिश में कभी नहीं बोल पाओगे, आप इंग्लिश में बात नहीं कर पाओगे, आपके अगल बगल वाले सारे फ्लुएंट हो जाएंगे, सब इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू यू आप इंग्लिश में नहीं बोल सकते क्योंकि ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है ना। तो अगर आप भी यही मानते हो अपने बारे में तो दिस वीडियो इज ओनली एंड ओनली फॉर यू। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोना टेल यू कि आप जीरो से कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हो। अगर आपके पास कोई इन्वायरमेंट नहीं है, कोई इक्विपमेंट नहीं है, कोई नहीं है जो आपको गाइड करता है, so please watch this video because when I started मेरे पास भी कोई नहीं था जो मुझे गाइड कर दे कि इंग्लिश में स्टार्ट कैसे करना है, इंग्लिश में बात कैसे करनी है। मतलब बिल्कुल I was blank at that point of time, but now I'm speaking in English in front of you and I did it in few months only. So let's get into the video and discover that how I did it and आप भी ऐसे कैसे कर सकते हो without any environment, without any coaching institute, without anything. Before coming on the point that how I did it, how I started, so I want to tell you a story, and by this story you will understand that how I did it and how you can do this. Okay, so when I was in 8th class, my ma'am was dictating few spellings and I was unable to write those spellings, and I swear I was feeling ridiculous. I was feeling frustrating at that point of time because I was unable to write those spellings, and those were very small spellings. So at that point of time I started my journey of English learning. So I started paying focus on my written communication since class 8 until class 10. I was pretty much good in my written communication. Even now sometimes I find problem while writing spelling, but yeah, now I can manage to write. When I entered in class 12, then I decided now I have to focus on my English speaking skills. So I decided to speak. I decided to join any coaching class, okay? Because at that point of time, I used to believe that without joining any coaching class, I cannot be fluent in this language. So I thought that why not to join any coaching class? Why not to visit any institution for learning English? So I visited to few institutes, but at that point of time they were charging very high amount. They were charging 7,000, 8,000 for few months, and that was quite expensive for me. So I left this thought of joining any coaching class. I thought that why not to start by myself. So I started with the mirror. तो मैंने एक छोटे से मिरर से स्टार्ट किया इंग्लिश में बात करना. Like I had a mirror in a medium shape, so I started from that mirror. क्योंकि उस टाइम तो मेरे पास बिल्कुल भी करेज ही नहीं था कि मैं लोगों के पास जाऊँ, उनसे इंग्लिश में बात करूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल एडवाइस कि अगर आपको इंग्लिश सीखनी है, अगर आपको इंग्लिश में बात करना है तो आपको लोगों के पास जाना पड़ेगा, उनसे इंग्लिश में बात करनी पड़ेगी. बट अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो आप कैसे स्टार्टिंग में जाकर लोगों से इंग्लिश में बात कर सकते हो? यार बहुत ही बैड डिसीजन होता है ये, क्योंकि जब आप लोगों के पास जाओगे, उनसे इंग्लिश में बात करोगे तो आपका भी मोटिवेशन डाउन होगा, क्योंकि आप उनसे स्टार्टिंग में तो आप बहुत सारी गलतियां करने वाले हो, बिलीव मी. सो उस टाइम पर अगर किसी ने आपके ऊपर हंस दिया या फिर आपको ही बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगेगा अगर आपने इंग्लिश में थोड़ी बहुत भी गलती कर दी बोलने में. तो बिफोर फेसिंग द पीपल, फेस योरसेल्फ, स्टार्ट विद द मिरर. एंड what is I did, okay? So I started with the mirror and then I shifted towards my friends. We used to had very small talks, like what I did and what I used to do, my daily routine, my habits. I used to tell my friends these things and they used to tell me the same thing what they did. After that I got an app. The app name is AC Fluency, and I got lots of people over here who really wants to speak in English, and I haven't taken any paid subscription of this app. So I also recommend you don't take any paid subscription. You can learn it free, okay? So yeah, so why I'm telling this story to you, just to let you know that without joining any coaching class, without having environment, you can speak in English. What you need to do here is that you have to make ladders between you and your goal. For example, you are here, so you wanna be here, okay? You wanna be here. So what you can do, that instead of jumping at a sudden to your goal, what you can do, you can make a ladder between you and your goal, and that is how you can achieve your goal very easily. So start with the mirror and then start with your family members, okay, with whom you are comfortable. Start talking with your friends, your siblings, your mom and dad, and doesn't matter if they are replying or not, it's fine, but you have to speak in this language. So after that, you can shift on many apps which can help you to make you fluent. But for now, start with the mirror. You can make ladders, and I'm telling you, making ladders is the best thing what you can do for learning anything. Once you will start, you will be fluent after few months. Definitely you will fluent. ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता कि आप start करो और आप fluent ना हो, आप success ना पाओ. Yeah, initially आपको बहुत problems आने वाली हैं, I'm telling you. But at the end, you will get a very good result. So I hope you like this video. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.